In the last 3 months, I've done over $60,000 profit with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys 5 hacks to help you increase your commissions. Let's get into it. All right, so let's cut the fluff and BS, dive into my phone and give you guys the 5 tips that are going to help you increase your affiliate commissions. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment. I appreciate your support. Let's come over here into my phone and we're going to be diving into the TikTok Shop toolkit. So this is inside Creator Center and there's a lot of cool tools and resources that are going to help you grow as an affiliate. And there's so many that are overlooked by new affiliates and even experienced one. And the first one that I want to talk about is collab invites. This is where brands are going to find you. They're going to send you what's called a collab invite and say, hey, do you want to work with us? Here's the products that we offer. Request a free sample. And we would love for you to promote our products. This is a fantastic way as a new affiliate and even an experienced affiliate to get tons. We're talking 10, 20, 30, 40 products technically every single day that you could get for free, all because of collab invites. Now, the one thing with collab invites that you need to understand is the more credibility you have, the more videos you've posted, the more GMV you have generated, the more collab invites you're going to get. So for me, I'm literally getting, we're talking anywhere from 20 to 40 every single day. And as a new affiliate, it might be a couple. And again, the more videos you have, the more you're going to get. But what's cool is the collab invites is a fantastic way to get free products without it eating into your free sample requests. So for those that don't understand how free samples work is you don't have unlimited free sample requests that you can basically go to any brand and say, give me a free sample, give me a free sample. TikTok is actually going to limit you. And depending on your level, they'll give you more sample requests than others. But collab invites do not eat into that. So right here, I can come to newest and I can be like, okay, what's here? Or I can come right here. And what I like to do is recommended or top sellers. And I can find the best sellers of who is reaching out to me and who wants to collaborate. And so I can just come right here and I can be like, okay, this product right here sounds interesting. It's this like charging cable and they've sold 752,000. Well, I might as well add it and I can get it for free. I can earn $6.60 per unit I sell. It's got a high commission. Great. I'm going to accept it. That same company, Mfish, we got another one, which I don't know what that is. I think it's a portable charger. Here's another one. This brand is sending me tons of collab invites. So right there, I could go and just accept all of those and boom, just like that, I get free products sent to my porch. So collab invites needs to be something that you are looking at on a daily basis because you'll be shocked at how many brands want you to make videos, but you're just not seeing it. So this is a fantastic way to get free products, get more products, and the more products you have, the more videos you can make, which as a result, that's going to increase your commissions. And that's one thing, just kind of as a side note, this goes along with that first tip. The more products that you make videos about, the more chances you have to make money, the more chances you have to go viral. And a lot of times they're products that you wouldn't really think about, but if they're sending you a collab invite and you can get it for free, it's like, hey, take the 5 minutes it takes to make the video and call it a day. And who knows, that product might just crush it. So that is a fantastic option is collab invites. You definitely need to be utilizing that every single day. And the second tip to help you increase your commissions is by finding more products to review. And we're going to be using what's called the search by image to do that. So you come right here and you can actually take pictures of products that you already have around your house. And then it will literally find and see if they are on TikTok or not. This is where you can go literally around your house and just start taking pictures of things and see, oh, I've got spilt milk, so I can make a video about it and perfect. I already own it. I can come over here. I can take this energy drink. I can take a picture of it and see if they have it on TikTok. And sure enough, it pops right up and it just allows you to go in and find more products that you already own that are around your house. So this search by image is extremely powerful and it's super fun to just go see what products you already have around your house. And it allows you to really get momentum going. As new affiliates, the key is you've got to go in and crank out the videos and you've got to start building up that credibility so that more brands reach out to you via collab invites. More brands want to partner with you. You can also request samples for other products. But the very beginning, you just need to get your hands on as many products that are sold on TikTok and start making those videos. So that's the second tip. And that is going to be using the search by image. The third tip to help you increase your commissions is right here inside challenges. You click on this and what this allows you to do is join these different challenges where you can literally get bonuses up to $1,500 cash, $1,200 cash, $1,000 cash. And basically what you do is you join these and as you can see, only 105 people joined and you basically enter into these competitions. And if you perform well, then you just get free money. And there's also ones where you just need to join and upload a certain amount of videos and then they will give you an X amount of bonus towards free samples or they will just give you a flat bonus of, let's say, $100. So this is a great way to just go in and enter these challenges because if you're already already uploading the videos, you can join the challenges. And basically all you do is you upload a certain hashtag and that enters you into the challenge. But again, you have to join, you then get the hashtag code, and then you just go and upload that to your videos that fit these certain criterias and categories. And just like that, you have a chance to make extra money without any extra work. So just go and join these challenges. Again, TikTok Shop Toolkit, challenges, and then you can just scroll through and see what catches your attention and you can join those. And then if you win, you can actually make some really big money. So that's a really cool, easy way to increase your commissions. Now, the fourth way to increase your commissions is sharing ad codes. This is where you're going to generate a code, send it to the brand, and then if the brand uses that code, they will actually promote it and spend their money to boost your video. And as a result, it will get more views, which then more views leads to more clicks, and more clicks leads to more purchases, as a result, increasing your commissions. I'll show you guys the exact process on how to do that. So I just posted this video of this stroller, and what you do is you come to the little 3 dots in the bottom right hand corner and you scroll over to where it says ad settings. You click on ad settings and you scroll down and you go to ad authorization. You turn that on and you can select the available period of when they can utilize this. I like to go anywhere from 30 to 60 days unless they request for more and they're actually spending money. So we'll just do 30 days right here, and I hit authorize, then I hit save. And then from there, I'm going to come to video code and I'm going to hit generate and I'm going to hit save. Then from there, I'm going to come back to the video code. It says ready, and I'm going to copy this code. And then I'm going to come over here to the orange shop icon. I'm going to swipe up, and I know I'm doing this fast, but you guys can rewatch this. And then you can come right here to contact seller, and you guys can send a direct message to the seller saying, hey, I loved your product. I just made a video about it. I just generated the ad code. I think it would do really well if you were to boost this post. And you guys can create any simple copy paste template. You can go use ChatGPT and say, hey, generate a template. I'm not going to give you guys the exact template because I don't want every single person using the same exact template as me. So again, it's as simple as, hey, I love your product. Here's the ad code. I would love to work with you more, or whatever you need, let me know. You send them that ad code, and just like that, that is a fantastic way for the brand to now get that ad code and hopefully spend money behind your video that you posted. And as a result, your commissions are going to increase. If you guys can work with brands that are willing to spend money and use your ad codes, it's literally the cheat code. So that is a massive golden nugget, super easy to do. And I literally do that for all of my videos. I go share the ad codes with the brands. Some people use them, some people don't, and that is okay. It's just a numbers game. I'm just going in and trying to get my ad code to as many brands as possible because I know if they spend money on that ad code, I'm going to make money. So that is tip number 4, super, super easy way. Now diving into the 5th and last tip, it is going to come over here to inbox, and we're going to come over here to activity. And as you can see, I have tons of comments that are just coming in basically every couple hours. And right here, it says, I got a comment on this beanie. It says, wearing it now, love it. And so this is a beanie that has a built-in flashlight, as you can see. And so I can come right here, and that's what this guy is talking about, this particular comment. And I can come click on it and then come over here to the comments. And what I'll do is I will hold this down and I will hit reply with a video. And then what I'll do is I will make a video wearing this and say, hey, this guy loved, like I would film it. I'm kind of doing this live for you guys, but I'd literally take this and be like, hey, this guy loves this beanie. I love it too. It's the best. It's dimmable. It has Bluetooth speakers. You guys need to get it too. So click this link to running a flash sale and you guys can get it today. So that's what I would do. And then I would post that video, and those reply to comment videos are insanely powerful. So right here, again, you click down on that, reply with video, and just like that, that is a fantastic way to create more content that's super easy, doesn't take a lot of time, doesn't take a lot of brain power, and it allows the algorithm and it pushes it and it goes into the comment section, and it just, I don't know what it is, but it's this domino effect that just crushes it. So doing reply to comment videos is an incredible way, especially if it is a viral video. So if you have a video that has 10,000, 20,000, 100,000, a million views, you do this, and I'm telling you right now, those reply to comment videos will get 10,000, 20,000 views. I don't know what it is, but it's just some magic. So reply to comments, and then also you don't always have to do reply to videos, because like some of them, like this comment, it says nice. It's like, okay, what am I going to reply to that? But this one is like, wearing it now, love it. It's like, hey, awesome. Like, I appreciate you. And like, I'm so glad that you love it. And then right here, here's the perfect example. It says, how do you clean it? So this is a hot dog toaster, and I actually get this comment a lot. And so what I would do is I would click on this and I would, again, do the reply to comment video. reply with a video, and I would show me cleaning the hot dog toaster and giving them a whole demonstration. And just like that, that's going to allow them to be like, oh, I actually like that. And more than likely, if this person has that question, then another person is going to have that question. And so that video is going to answer that question. And then that video is going to be embedded in the comments of that video, if that makes sense. So it's extremely powerful. It's one of my favorite strategies. It's super easy to do. And I think you guys are going to love it. And so yeah, utilize these 5 tips, take advantage of it, use the TikTok Shop toolkit, use ad codes, reply to videos, use collab invites, use all these different tools and resources, and you are bound to skyrocket your commissions. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments. We also have tons of resources. We have free guides, free resources. We also have the #1 school community group. It is only $5 a month. I'll put the link in the description. I don't know when we're going to increase the price, but $5 is insane. You guys get courses, you get 4,000 plus members where you guys can network, learn from one another. All those will be in the description. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm excited for you guys to embark on this affiliate journey. It's mind-blowing. The potential is through the roof. Like, I don't get it. $60,000 profit for me in the last 3 months. And I've been doing it for a year. Like, so much opportunity. So take advantage of it, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.